So over here you can see that I am in the home page of Microsoft Forms, and you can see that I have two forms on the recent section. If I were to go around onto my forms, then you can see that I have four forms right here. And if I were to go around onto fill forms, then you will see the forms that you filled right here. And on the favorite section, you can see the forms that you've added in as a favorite. And over here, you can see that all of them get shown on a particular way. So they get shown out as cards, as you can see right here. But if you want to view them out as a list, then what you can do is you can simply go around over here on the right hand side, and you can see that it says show items in list view. So you can go around and click right here, and this is what you have. You can see that it changes out into list right here. And if you were to go around and access out recent or my forms or even favorites, everything changes around into list view. You can go around and select out the titles view as well, so it shows out as cards once again. If you have many forms, that is a lot of forms, and you want to find a specific form, you can also go around and filter out the form right here. For example, you can go around and let's say, for example, I want to filter out the forms with the word design in it in the title. So you can just go around and type in design right here, and you can see that quiz on graphic design forms just pop up right here. Similarly, I can go around over here and erase this to get everything back. So let's say I want to filter out the form with the word TutorTube in it, then I can just go around and type in TutorTube, and that is what shows up. And that is how you can go around and then simply change the form view option inside of Microsoft Forms, and then even find the forms as you like. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.